Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Maya token. Now the Maya token is trending number 7 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Huge 24-hour trading volume, big market cap for this token. They're up 101% right now, doing very well, this project. We're going to go over the information on the Maya token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, you can find their Telegram at Maya Soul Coin. 1,008 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, new token listing announcements, memes, of course, updates, all that type of stuff. And same with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, at Maya Soul Coin on Twitter. Maya brings holiday cheer to all, looking adorable in her Santa hat. They just joined in May 2024 on Twitter. They have 16,500 Twitter followers. Has a link to their Telegram right there. 8 posts so far. And it says CTO is now live in their pinned tweet. So basically, this token is a community takeover token, which means the dev is out of the picture and it's run by the community now. And we're going to verify to make sure that's true. We could check that out on DEX Screener. They usually have a community takeover claim on DEX Screener. But in their pinned tweet, they have the contract address, a link to the DEX Screener chart where you could see the price and how well the token's doing. And you can also find the token on Solscan, Bird Eye, DEX Tools, maybe CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap in the future. Now, the token was created on pump.fun. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. And it says, to celebrate, we are giving away 1 million Maya tokens. Among the first 500 to like and retweet, drop your wallet. So they're doing a contest there, a giveaway, whatever you want to call it, on their Twitter there. And if you scroll through, you're going to see actual videos of the Maya dog, like eating watermelon and doing all sorts of stuff. So this is like this is based off a real Doge that they made this coin off of here. And they have a web page too. Now this web page could be the old web page that's not the CTO, the community takeover page. This could be, from the old dev, so just be aware of that. But it is mayasoul.xyz. And over there, they have a buy now button that will take you to Raydium. They have a view chart button that will take you to DEX Screener, Telegram link, token information, pictures, all sorts of stuff. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. And once you funded your wallet with Sol, using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet right there, or on their web page, or on their DEX Screener chart, just make sure you have the right contract address. You would trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. Now, you may You probably won't have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that, or not Uniswap, sorry, off of Raydium, so just be aware of that. Now, this token may be available on other Solana dexes, like Soulflare. What am I talking about? Soulflare is a wallet. Like Jupiter, Meteora, or Orca. Those are all other Solana dexes that you could use. But definitely this token is available on Raydium, and maybe some central exchange listings in the future. So we'll have to find out, though. We'll have to follow the socials and see. So it says, Maya brings holiday cheer to all, looking adorable in the Santa hat, no rug pulls, contract ownership renounced for ultimate trust, burnt LP, fair launch, 100% of LP tokens were burnt, no tax, buying and selling Maya is completely tax-free. You can join our community with the links below and follow us on X for regular updates of the project. And then they have links to their Telegram and Twitter. Now it says 0% buy and sell tax, LP, 1 billion tokens, name of the token Maya, ticker symbol Maya. You can follow the steps on how to buy on their webpage, in case you didn't understand how I explained it, and they have the chart links on there as well. So this token's still trending number 7 on Dex Screener right now. They're up 109% in the past 24 hours. They have a market cap of $2.4 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $5.3 million. They've had 34,271 transactions. Even in the past 6 hours, they're up 37%. They have $221,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.12% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is 0.0025 USD. Token pair was created 1 day, 21 hours ago. There is a quick audit on Dex Screener. It says no issues. It says contract is not freezable and no mintable tokens, but keep in mind that's just a quick audit. It doesn't go over everything. And on Dex Tools, you could find a different quick audit by Quick Intel Security, and that goes over a couple other different things here. But it says so far this token has 9,100 holders, so a lot of holders so far. Total supply is 999.98 million tokens, and that's also the circulating supply for this token here. And yeah, pool was created November 11th, 1551 UTC time. They have here a quick audit by Quick Intel Security, and there's no issues on that either. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.